Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the inconsistent crafter. Today we're going to do a little Christmas project. We're going to be making these little angels. Wait, you're not even in the camera. Anyway, see, it floats there. Let me show you what it looks like. Can you zoom in on her, please? There we go. So cute, right? And then I'll definitely be listing these on Etsy. They will need to be wrapped super carefully though. But yeah, that's what we're going to be up to. You know the drill. Enjoy. Alright, so here are all the finished angel ornaments. So let me walk you through it. So we got this little guy. They're all pretty much the same. They all got the halo, they all have a string. They all will stand up if you do them just right. I have a couple of different colors and styles, and like some of the wings are gold, some of the wings are silver. This one is made out of a couple of buttons that I had, and it's got the two different colored wings. Dog, I'm making a video right now, baby. And then, like, yeah, some of them are smaller little buds. And you can move their wings around a little bit. Yeah, that's it. I'm keeping this one because it's got a lot of glue markings and stuff. See on her right there. I really like this one though. It's super cute. And then I have to keep this one because somehow I glued a hair into the hairline. So, I mean, I'm not going to sell it with my hair in it. So yeah, these will be posted on my Etsy, which is not The Inconsistent Crafter, it's just Inconsistent Crafter, and I'll put a link on, not a link, but I'll post the name of it on the screen. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Useapalooza, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.